Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 14th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2024. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all another apple recipe for National Apple Month. We're going to make Southern fried apples. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. It's going to be loaded with cinnamon and spices, and we're going to fry them in butter. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect for the fall season. You can serve these for breakfast or dessert. You can top it on ice cream, pancakes, serve it on the side with some grits and eggs, and you'll be good to go. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your spices, melt your butter, and get those apples sliced in sugar, because we're about to cook some fried apples magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our apples. I have 4 large apples, and I'm using Honeycrisp, or you can use any apple, Granny Smith, Golden Delicious, Gala, whatever your heart desire. So now we're going to core them, and I'm using my apple cord, or you can use a knife. Now we're going to peel them, and keep your fingers out the way. Now we're going to thinly slice them. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my apples, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through with all my apples. Now we are ready to cook them. Over here on my stove top, I have my cast iron skillet, or you can use a regular skillet. I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in a half a cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to let it melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the butter has melted. Now it's time to add in our sugars, 1/4 of a cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar, and our spices, a half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of ground allspice. Give it a quick stir until it's well combined. Alrighty, now it's time to add in the apple slices. Stir the apples until they're well coated. Okie dokie, now we're going to let the apples cook for about 8 minutes until they're soft and fork tender. Your house is going to smell amazing. My friends, I smell apples. Oh, ain't nothing like it. I can smell all the spices. I'm in apple heaven. All right, let's check them to see if they're fork tender. Excellent. And that's it, my friends. Our fried apples are ready to serve. How simple and easy was that? So I'm about to pour them into my bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern fried apples. Don't that look good? And look at that sauce. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The apples are super tender, and I can taste the spices, and that sauce is full of flavor and super buttery. These fried apples are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Fried apples, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy fall!